Hello dear subscribers. Today I will show you how you can easily fix your error with when you see empty folder here, when you try to uh, open your Mac and you just see this error. So how you can fix it? First you need to click on power button and just click on option before it starts. So if everything works okay, you will see your hard disk here. So you just click on it and here you will see recovery mode. So if first thing you try to click here and try to open your system, and if it doesn't help you, you can try recovery mode. Just click here if it doesn't help you. So first thing you try is to open from here your system and just now wait some time after it will load your system, and if it doesn't fix your boot, so you can also try another method. Just turn off your computer, just click on button, power button, just click on power. So I need to charge my MacBook, so I will take charging cable for him and just click on power. So after you click on power, you need to click on Command and R in one time. Just press these two buttons, Command and R. And you need to press them and just wait some time. After you will see recovery mode on your computer. So let's wait. Don't interrupt it, just keep pressing these two buttons until you will see your recovery mode. So if you can't open from these buttons, from these two buttons, Command and R, recovery mode, you can also choose recovery mode from first variant that from first option that I showed you, that you open your system and just press option, and then you choose second variant, recover your system. So also you can choose this second variant and do it from it. So also I hope that for you it will work. So you just choose recovery mode, and in the recovery mode you need to choose your disk and just check your disk. So just run utility for checking all the files, and just it will try to automatically fix your error. So I hope that this option will help you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.